Hello! Why should you get your copy of the Laundry Business Owner Steps to Success Guidebook? Well, kung kayo po ay yung first timer nyo sa laundry business at nag-iisip kayo saan ba ako makakakuha ng information about the laundry business so I can set up the right way. Yan. Kumuha po kayo ng kopya nyo nito. Pangalawa, kung kayo naman po ay existing laundry shop owner na at gusto nyo masustain mabuti ang inyong laundry shop, kumuha din po kayo ng kopya nitong Laundry Business Owner Steps to Success Guidebook. Nandito na po lahat ang kailangan ng info based on my 10 years of experience sa laundry business. And I hope you get your copy. You can get this copy for 1,250 pesos, ebook plus printed copy for 1,250, free delivery. Woohoo!